Hi, good morning students. I am Basavaraja R C, your science teacher. The Little Paris Higher Primary School, JSR Extension, 6th class, Chitradurga. Welcome back to online classes. Today, we discuss about 9th standard 2nd chapter is matter around us pure. In previous classes, already learned that the what is the matter and what is the pure substance and what is the mixtures and type of a mixture and type of a element. Today we discuss about metals. The metals are solids at room temperature and except mercury, and metals have the crystal, the lattice. Therefore, the atoms are closely packed, and metals are hard, and metals have clustering, and metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. And metals are the malleable, and metals are ductile, and metals are sonars, and metals have high melting and boiling points. Next, non-metal. The properties of non-metals. Non-metals are either gases or solid at room temperatures. The non-metals generally have the dull surfaces. Non-metals are mostly poor conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals are a bit soft, and non-metals are non-malleable and non-ductile in nature. Non-metals are non-sonars. Non-metals have low melting and boiling points. Next one is compounds. The compounds is a pure substance that contain two or more elements which are combined together in a fixed proportions by mass. This process is known as the compounds. Next one, the types of compounds. The inorganic compounds and organic compounds. First one, the inorganic compounds. The obtained from non-living sources such as rocks and minerals. This is called as a inorganic compounds. For example, common salt, carbon dioxide, ammonia, etc. Next one is organic compounds. It's obtained from living beings such as plants and animals. For example, methane, ethane, alcohol, sugar, and etc. The characteristic of compounds. A pure compound is composed of the same elements combined in a fixed ratio by mass. A pure compound is homogeneous in nature. It is formed as a result of a chemical reaction between the constituent elements. The properties of the compounds are altogether different from the elements from which it is formed. Next, constituents of a compounds that cannot be separated mechanically. The formation of compounds involves the energy changes. Next one is mixtures. What is mixture? The combinations of two or more substances which are physically mixed and are not chemically combined with each other and may also be present in any properties. This is now called as a mixtures. There are two types of mixture. First one is homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixture. Types of mixtures. The mixtures are two types. There are homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixture. First one is homogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? The mixture is which has the uniform compositions. The particles of the mixture are not visible by naked eye. Next, the particles cannot be separated by filtrations. The mixture is stable. The particles do not settle down. The path of a beam of light is not visible in the mixture. This is the properties of homogeneous mixtures. For examples, the mixture of sugar in water, the mixture of salt in water, the mixture of copper sulfate in water, etc. Next one is heterogeneous mixture. The heterogeneous mixture is a mixture which has a non-uniform compositions. The properties of heterogeneous mixture: the particles are visible by the naked eye. The particles can be separated by filtrations. The mixture is unstable, non-particle the settle down. The path of a beam of light is visible in mixture. For example, the mixture of salt and sand, the mixture of sulfur and iron filings, and mixture of oil and water, etc. Next one is the difference between mixture and compounds. In mixture, it is composed of a two or more elements or compounds mixed together. In compounds, it is composed of two or more elements that chemically combined together chemically. In mixture, the composition of the constituents is not in fixed ratio. In compound, the composition of the constituents in a fixed ratio. In mixture, it shows the properties of all the constituents. In compounds, it shows different properties than the constituents elements. In mixture, the components can be separated by physical methods. In compounds, the components can be separated only by chemical method. Thank you, students. Today we will stop here.